First, scan the QR code on the package of the universal battery with the mobile phone that needs to be repaired. The system will automatically match the battery model for the phone. After the matching, disassemble the phone and remove the original battery. Next, we need to slightly heat the protective board of the original battery. Flip it up and cut the nickel sheet with ceramic scissors. We should keep the cutouts, protective board, aside for later use. Then, take out the universal battery. Inside the package, there has the battery we need to replace, double-sided adhesive tape, and insulating tape. Compare the two batteries, they are the same size. Next, peel off the protective insulating tape of the overseas universal battery. Remove the insulating paper and expose the two connecting wires. Under normal circumstances, you can directly use these two built-in wires to weld the original protection board to achieve a perfect replacement. But what we want to show today is the repair process when the customer asks to use the original nickel sheet. Therefore, it is necessary to remove these two wires before performing a nickel sheet welding demonstration. After removing the wires, we use a multimeter to determine the positive and negative poles. Then, cut off two sections of nickel sheets to appropriate length. And adjust the spot welding machine to the second or the third gear. It should be noted that each position should not be spot welded less than 3 or 4 times. After welding, pull it gently with your hands to ensure that there is no false welding. Next, we need to bend the nickel sheet and make insulation protection. Next, we need to bend the nickel sheet and make insulation protection. After bending, put the original plastic frame into it and stick the insulating tape. Before installing, we should put the battery into the case for a power-on test. After making sure everything runs normally, we can paste the double-sided tape for the last installation.